Thanks, team.
You're welcome.
Something grating in. Sounded like there's something grating. Oh, I said there was something grating.
Yeah.
You've trashed your suspension.
Cool.
That's what bashing's about.
Yeah, there you go.
It's on A-arm off.
Ah,
No, that's an easy fix.
easy fix. I'll 3D print one of them.
Haven't even bent any at rods.
No.
No, straight, aren't they?
Yeah.
Everything looks good.
So, my bashing turned out, my new spoiler what I put it in, absolutely mashed. And this is absolutely mashed. But that's what, we've got some good jumps in. That's what it's all about. Thanks for watching, catch you all later. Ciao for now.